it, girl, get at it, get your bag on. Hit that gym and get back fine. Go get that degree.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl KEYZZ here. So today I'm just gonna be installing this lovely wig that I have on. I love this wig. Like, I outdid myself, but if you guys want to see how I got my lace laid, please keep on watching. So now I just have my cap, my stocking cap on. I put some makeup. This one on there. I'm gonna cut this off. So I'm just using the glow spun glue and the KEYZZ hairspray to do the ball cap method. Bleached it. It has the combs here on the back and the adjustable straps here and extra lace, but I'm gonna cut this off. So I'm gonna cut this extra lace off at the back and I'm gonna be I went ahead and put my makeup in my wig and I'm gonna place it on my head. To lay down the lace, I'm using the glow spun glue and I'm going to be using 2 layers. Now you're going to blow dry the hair in the cool settings. So we're going to cut off the excess lace using a jagged motion with the scissors. I'm basically like pulling down. And I'm going to use the wax stick to pull back the flyaway so it doesn't get into the glue. But I don't like baby hair, could leave her like this. But me personally, I need some baby hairs. Okay, so we're gonna take this KEYZZ Freeze Spray, hairspray, the same one. I'm gonna spray it on the hairline and blow dry at the same time, so the lace melts down even more. I went ahead and tied the lace without the baby hairs. I'm just letting it sit, and I'm gonna use my hot comb to make this. Also use my wax stick. This one is from Amazon. I'll link it down in the description box below, along with the wig, and everything else that I use will be down in the description bar. So far I really like it. I like this wig, like it's working, and like just how flowy it is. It's pretty, very pretty, but we need her flick, flick, flick. This is why I do a voiceover, because I talk and then I get silent, and then I talk again and I get more silent. Like, what do you want to do? Make up your mind. Pluck it to how I like it. And now we will do the baby hairs. But I'm gonna pluck this a little bit more right here, just to thin it up. So here I'm just using my wax stick along with my hot comb, and it's gonna help me to lay the baby hairs even more flatter, and it will go the direction that I want it to go. just helping it to look like scalp, and you're gonna be like, bitch, what wig? What wig? Where? So here I was just tying up the hair to flat iron it on camera, but this bitch was taking too long and that's just too much to edit, so I just went off camera and flat ironed the rest. Okay, so I went ahead and changed my shirt, take off my robe and put on this shirt so you guys can see the hair. It reaches like over my boobs. It's like all the way here. So this is the real struggle, getting into the baby hairs. Like, I struggle when it comes to baby hairs, but we're gonna practice. Practice makes perfect, right? The sideburns was a little bit difficult to do because the wig hair didn't go all the way down. So I tried my best to finesse it, and I think I succeed. So I'm back. I did the baby hairs like this. I'm always struggling with my edges. I don't know how to do baby hairs, but I'm learning, you know. I think it's cute like that. I like it like this. So thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you guys like this wig install. I know I love it. Like, it's just giving me life. Like, I did that. Hairdresser who? Hairdresser Keysza. And that's on period, baby. So Anyways, make sure you guys like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell, and I'll see you guys over in part 2 for the makeup portion. So peace out.
Girl, fuck that drama. If it ain't about the money bounce, you know you the shit.